What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean and prevent corrosion on your car battery. If you guys are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I do a lot of these car projects and house projects. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is pop off these covers to our caps, and as you can see, all this blue stuff is acidic corrosion from the battery acid. You're going to want to use some gloves and some eye protection because this stuff is nasty. And what we're going to do is, let's see, I've got a paper towel here, and you're not just going to want to sweep this down and get it in your car because it can cause a lot of rust and damage. So I've got a paper towel here, and I'm just going to be carefully moving, kind of just moving it and collecting it. It's a wet paper towel. Just going to want to collect all this battery acid and throw it away. Be careful with that, like I said. Don't want it to fly up in your eyes or something. But we'll just go ahead and sweep it out of the way. You could also spray it with probably some like WD-40 or something just to make that battery acid sticky. Get it all off. So I got the terminals all cleaned up, and I forgot to mention that having a corroded battery, these mucked up terminals, will create the same problems as if your battery was bad. So you're going to want to keep these terminals clean, and I'm going to show you guys how to prevent it too. So let's go ahead and disconnect the battery so we can clean these terminals. We're going to do the negative side first. So we'll just go ahead and loosen this up, and we're going to want to disconnect the negative side. Then we're going to want to disconnect the positive side. There we go. Alright, now you're going to want to take one of these battery tools. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description. They're only a couple bucks, but it's got a couple different tools. It's got this one that we're going to go ahead and put on the actual terminals. Get it real shined up. Oh boy. And it's got a brush. We'll do the top. Just want to get these everything real shined up. Then it's got this circular wire brush that we're just gonna groove in. We're gonna get inside the terminals and clean those all real good. Alright, so the terminals are all nice and cleaned up. We'll go ahead and put the positive back on first. Tighten that down good and tight. And we'll put our negative lead on. Tighten this one down good and tight. There we go. Alright, now you're gonna want to get some of this battery terminal protector spray. Shake it up and you spray it on the terminals. All over the metal part. And this is going to prevent that nasty corrosion from coming back. Get it all in there. Alright, now you're good to go, guys. That's how to clean and protect your battery. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Check out my other videos and consider subscribing if you're new. Alright, thanks for watching Johnny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.